When you think of the biggest machines on Earth, what comes to mind? Imagine a vehicle so colossal, it can literally move mountains. Think of something so heavy, it rivals the weight of a luxury cruise ship. And some of these monsters are so mind-boggling, they even made their way into Hollywood films, starring as Transformers. Welcome to the world of the largest land vehicles on the planet. Get ready to witness the engineering marvels that drive industries, redefine power, and make jaws drop. First up is the Belaz 75710, a truck so big, it's the undisputed champion of hauling. Designed for the coal mines of Siberia, this monster can carry up to 496 tons. That's the weight of a fully loaded Boeing 747. It's over 65 feet in length, about as long as two double-decker buses parked end to end. Despite its massive size, the Belaz is no slouch, cruising at 40 miles per hour, faster than most people would expect. If you see one of these beasts coming, you better make way. Next, we've got the Komatsu P&H L-2350, the world's largest wheel loader. This isn't just a big machine, it's a 272-ton powerhouse that scoops and loads like a champ. It's built to load these massive trucks like the Belaz 75,710, carrying up to 80 tons in a single scoop. Standing over 25 feet tall, that's taller than a two-story house, this beast lifts 7 meters into the air, high enough to scoop an M1 Abrams tank. It might not break speed records, but when it comes to heavy lifting, the Komatsu is the king of the quarry. The Caterpillar 6090FS is the heavyweight champ of excavators. It's the largest hydraulic shovel in the world and the most powerful of its kind. This 1,102-ton giant can lift up to 103 tons in a single scoop. Standing 33 feet tall, it's as big as a 3-story building. This earth-moving titan was actually the inspiration behind the Transformers character, Demolisher. And when you see it in action, you'll understand why. This machine moves dirt at a pace that puts other excavators to shame. Enter the Liebherr LR 13,000, the world's most powerful crawler crane. If you need to move massive loads, like the entire frame of a power plant, this is the machine you call. The LR 13,000 can lift an incredible 3,300 tons, making it the go-to for the heaviest lifting jobs on Earth. With a boom stretching a jaw-dropping 813 feet, that's about 2.5 football fields. This machine makes even the tallest skyscrapers look small. It doesn't get much more powerful than this. Built by NASA in the 1960s, the NASA Crawler Transporter is the largest self-powered vehicle on Earth. It's designed to carry rockets to the launch pad, and it does so with ease, hauling up to 18 million pounds. Weighing in at 7,000 tons, that's as heavy as 15 Statue of Liberties combined. It moves at a top speed of just 1 mile per hour when fully loaded. But when you're carrying a rocket to space, speed is the last thing you need. Big Muskie, the largest dragline excavator ever built. This 27 million pound monster stood 22 stories tall, about 240 feet, and had a scoop the size of a 12-car garage. In its 22 years of operation, it removed twice the amount of earth that was dug up to build the Panama Canal. Though it's no longer operational, Big Muskie remains a monumental feat of engineering, leaving an indelible mark on the mining industry.
Fire!
The Schwerer Gustav, a name you might not know, but it's the largest caliber rifled weapon ever built. Standing 154 feet long and weighing 1,500 tons, this German war machine could fire shells weighing over 7 tons each. It could only travel on rail, making it more of a mechanical oddity than a practical weapon. Still, it's one of the largest and most unusual machines ever built. Next, we come to the Bagger 293, the heaviest land vehicle on Earth. With a mind-blowing 740-foot length and 311-foot height, it's like a luxury cruise liner on land. Weighing 15,650 tons, that's 15.6 million kilograms. It's a coal-digging machine like no other. It runs on 20,000 kilowatts of power, enough to run an entire city. Its 18 giant buckets scoop up 7,000 kilograms of coal at a time, loading it onto conveyors that send it to power plants across Germany. Now let's talk about something unusual. The F60 isn't your traditional machine. It doesn't have wheels. It doesn't dig. It doesn't haul. It walks. Stretching an unbelievable 1,640 feet, half a kilometer, this mobile conveyor bridge is longer than the Eiffel Tower laid on its side, and it weighs an astonishing 24 million pounds. The F60 was designed to move massive volumes of overburden, the rock and dirt above coal seams. Using 5 synchronized conveyor belts, it transfers material from one part of a mine to another, without ever stopping. It creeps forward on massive rails, directed by a team of over 20 technicians. Imagine a building that moves. One of the original F60s is now a museum exhibit in Germany, standing as a monument to human engineering. Tourists walk across its spine hundreds of feet in the air. Some say it's like walking across a sci-fi star cruiser. Slow, silent, surreal. When it moves, you feel it in your bones. These giants don't just move mountains, they reshape entire industries. Which one left you speechless? Comment below, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more colossal engineering feats. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next giant.